Good morning, Corky's Model Railroad. I wanted to review with you my HO collection. This is the layout that I built from Woodland Scenics. And first of all, I'll show you the Santa Fe line here. Really love the Santa Fe red ones on the back there. Santa Fe line, which I've got represented by that Everett Chief poster or tin. The second one that I'll show you is my diesel nickel plate road. That is a Bachman train, nickel plate road diesel, okay? Now, also I believe Bachman 765 nickel plate road steam. So we got the nickel plate represented by both steam and diesel. This is a quite longer train. Nickel plate road represented on the wall like this, right? While I'm here, I'll show you my grandkids when we went to train stations. So we're getting ready to go on vacation. Day after tomorrow, we're going to be out west, and then later we're going to be in Pennsylvania. We'll get to go to the Strasburg Railway. Okay, and the third one I want to show you here in my collection, which is running right now, is my Santa Fe diesel. It has sounds. Santa Fe diesel. It will gear up, and it has a light. It'll gear down. It'll shut off. Santa Fe diesel. Here in the town of River Pass. Just reviewing, because I'm going to be getting started on adding some more rolling stock and some more engines to my River Pass HO layout. It's a 4 foot by 8 foot layout. Y'all have a good day.